All right, pilots, arm your quads. Let's go live on the tone in less than 5. Off to the races, great start. Look at this field. Well, we're playing some chicken. Seacrest FPV is playing chicken. Seacrest, the time starts on the tone, not the gates. Yeah. It's all right. It's got lots of time to figure it out. At least another minute 42 in this heat right here. Are you ready? Had a quick launch. That is going to hurt for him. Watching Captain Vanover right now. He's your leader. He's your highest seed in this heat. He is 5th overall in qualifying from yesterday. And now he's going to be our first one to round out lap number 1. And great work in the wind around Michael's ladder, the Tornado Tower. There goes Captain Vanover. Boom. Cross that line, 43-1. That's his opener on a windy Friday. And now we got a little loosey-goosey. Little announcer pressure, little announcer jink. Tommy Pezzino on to lap 2, and my buddy Provo on to lap 2. Seacrest on to lap number 2 as well. Seacrest would have been second had he not waited the 9 seconds on the podium. But he's just getting those laps in, warmed up. We're at the midway point. A minute in, minute still to go. Captain Vanover still on his gears, but now we're going to have a little bit of chase cam as Provo's catching up to him. They're both working on the tower. Here comes Captain Vanover onto lap number 3, and right behind him, there's Provo towards our Soaring Sky start-finish gate. Onto lap number 3 we go as well. And in the wind, they're on a 4-lap pace. That's pretty much aces here for today. And qualifying, it's your fastest 3 consecutive laps. Most of our field on the windy day are only getting 3 laps in. Provo's doing all right now, 49th overall from yesterday. Going to raise his bar a little bit. I'm going to say right now, that is going to be in, guaranteed to be in on Championship Saturday as we take the top 64. Right now, unofficially on the bubble is 2:18, 2 minutes 18 seconds. In 64th, 3 laps in 2 minutes 18 seconds. And this race is about to be done here in 3, 2, 1, ding. The next time they cross over, they are done. We bring on a checkered flag first for Seacrest. He gets 3 laps in. Missed it by 6 seconds, Seacrest. 6 seconds. You waited on the podium for 8. Bad Seacrest, bad Seacrest. We'll see him in his next one. Lots of time here on the clock. Here comes Captain Vanover doing some damage here on a windy Friday. Vanover across the line with a 34.7 his last one. And that'll be 4 laps in 2:23. He also had a 30-second lap time in that session. Looks like we got one more to finish. Here comes Provo. Provo up and across that line. 4 laps in 2:36. His fastest 3 laps in the session. Laps 2, 3, and 4. Let's total them up for a total of 1:48 on his fast 3. Provo is now in the number 33 spot. Started this one way deeper than that. Let's call it in the number 49 spot up to 33rd. Very nice for him. We got 3 laps for Seacrest. We lost Tommy Pezzino on 1 on lap number 2 round there. Sunday Chaos down. Are you ready down?